Hey guys, welcome back to Algos Made Simple. We're living up to our name today with ContainsDuplicate, Leetcode217, a very easy one that if you get this in an interview, you need to be ready to hit it out of the ballpark. You can't miss this one, no excuses for it. You got to get this one locked in, ready. Again, we're going to do it as simple as possible. We're going to go over everything as simplistic as possible, and we're going to have nice, repeatable, easy to recall code here. And so just getting started with that, it states, given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So I would let the interviewer know, okay, I understand I'm getting a integer of nums, and all I want to do is just see if a number is in there twice. If it is, I'm going to return true. If it's not, I'm going to return false. Simple as that. I look here at the example, going through that. Nums equals 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, there's two ones in it, one here, one there, return true. If that one was anything besides a 1, 2, or 3, we'd return false. Very, very simple conceptually, and should be a pretty simple one to code up. But let's look at our game plan because we don't want to jump ahead. Let's always take a second, get your thoughts out, write them on the whiteboard or type them out. That way you don't jump ahead of yourself and start down a hole that you can't come back from. And let's just get our thoughts out here in the open. So I know that for this particular problem, I want to take this number and compare it to what else is in here. So you could probably do double nested for loops, all that kind of stuff. We want to do it kind of efficient, and the efficient solution is just simplistic with this one. So what we want here is we're going to have a set at some point. And if you're familiar with the set, it doesn't even allow duplicates. So the whole time we're going to be adding these numbers to the set and looking at the set to see if the number has previously been added to the set. So we've got that. And then what we want to do as well, basically that's kind of it for this one. The set is kind of the key to it. Then you're just doing a for loop. We're looking at the set and we're adding to the set. So very, very easy here. So let's look at what it looks like when we code it up. We're going to do contains duplicate. And again, we're passing the parameter nums through it. And at the very first thing we want to do, the sooner you can check off your game plan stuff, the better. We know we want to set up a set. We're going to call it value. And we'll just say an empty set. And what we'll do here, we'll do for num in num. Stop me if you've seen a for loop before in one of these problems. And we're going to say if num in value, so if there's a number in that value set, if that's already existing, so when we come see that 1, that's how that would look like. Then we want to return true, be done with the problem, it's over with. If not, what we want to do is have value.add. It's a set, so you use add and remove instead of append. And what we want to do here is just add the num to it. And if we get through this whole for loop and we haven't returned true, then we're just going to return false. So that's all the code this one is. This is one, if you get this in an interview, wow, it would be unbelievable. You'd be so excited. So again, let's test it out. Don't jump ahead of yourself. Maybe we made an error here. We go through here, we got our value going to set, and we go for num and nums. We have 1. If num is in value, there's nothing in the value set yet. So we come down here and add 1 to our value set. Okay, then we go to 2. Is 2 in the value set? No, only 1 is there. So we come down here and add 2 to it. 3 is 3 in the value set. No, we just have a 1 and a 2. So there's no reason to return true. We come down here and add the 3 to it. Then we get back to a 1. It says, is 1 in the value set? 1 is in the value set. Return true. We've got a duplicate. It's over with. This one is done, guys. This is easy, easy, easy. O of N. Get excited. This is one that you want to have in your tool belt. Knock it out of the park. Softball, grand slam. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep moving and keep progressing. There's going to be a lot of harder ones, but we're going to try to keep it simple, keep everybody pumped up, and this is stuff we can all do and, hopefully land some awesome jobs out there. Thanks for watching, guys.